Good morning, my little champs. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. I welcome you all in this new class. I am Mrs. Varsha. I will teach you science. Let's start our new session with the blessings of Almighty and pray to God to remove the COVID-19 pandemic soon so that education institutions can revive its old routine of offline classes. All the best for your new class. Okay, my dear students. First, take out your diary or any copy and note down the syllabus for first UT. Write down class 3 subject science syllabus for first unit test in the month of May 2021 and 22. Lesson 1 living and non-living things. Number 5 plants in the surroundings. Number 1 living and non-living things. Lesson 5 plants in the surroundings. All have written. Very nice, my dear students. Now take out your books. Lesson number 1. We'll start new chapter living and non-living things. Okay? Underline, write down date, do reading, living and non-living things. Okay, students, you have seen so many things around you. Okay, you are sitting in the room. See, so many things are around you. Some things are living and some things are non-living. Understood, students? See, living things. Flower is the living thing. Plant is the living thing. Man is the living thing. Boy, girl, dog, cat. These all things are living. Book is the non-living. Mobile is the non-living. Remote is the non-living. Pen is the non-living. Pencil box, watch, book, copy. These all things are non-living. Understood? Living and non-living things. Living things have life and non-living things they don't have life. Living things can move. Non-living things they cannot move. Living thing can grow, feel, reproduce, breathe. But non-living things, they don't feel, they don't grow, they don't breathe, they don't reproduce. Okay, my dear students, you know about living and non-living things? Let's warm up. See this photograph. Look at the things given in the picture. Write the names of any 10 things that you see. You just see this picture. Write down trees, swing, boys, ball, flowers, cat, chair, grass, stone, sky. All have written? You all are watching these things in the picture? Very nice. Now we'll start this chapter. Read on. If you look at these things carefully, you will notice that things like benches and swings are made by man. You know, doors, windows, benches, swings, these things are made by man. Things which are made by man are called man-made things. Very nice. What are man-made things? Things that are made by men are called man-made things. For example, doors, windows, cars, copies, books. Okay, these are man-made things. Listen, things like birds, sun, clouds that are created by nature are called natural things. Okay, my dear students? Birds, sun, clouds, stars, moons, rocks, hills, they are created by nature. Things like birds, sun and clouds that are created by nature are called natural things. What are natural things? Things that are created by nature are called natural things. Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Things that are created by nature are called natural things. All things given above are not the same. Some can move while others cannot move. Some can grow, others do not grow. Things which need food, breathe, move, grow, feel and reproduce are called living things. Already I have told you now, living things can grow, move, breathe, need food, feel and reproduce. Okay. And what are non-living things? Things which do not move, grow, feel, reproduce are called non-living things. Underline. Now I'll tell you difference between living and non-living things. Number one, living things need food. My dear students, when you feel hungry, what you take? You take chocolates, milk, food, fruits, vegetables, your copies, books, benches, doors. They need food? No. It means living things need food, but non-living things, they don't need food. Underline, all living things need food and water to live. Plants make their own food. They use water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make food. Animals cannot make their own food, but plants can make their own food. They make the food with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make food. Animals and human beings, they depend on plants or other animals for food. Okay, my dear students, plants can make their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. They cannot make their own food. Food provides energy to living things. What food provides to living things? Food provides energy to living things. Non-living things, they do not need food. Underline. Non-green plants cannot make their own food. Green plants can make their own food, but non-green plants cannot make their own food. Now, second point, living things grow. Underline. My dear students, earlier you were in class nursery, LKG, then UKG, then class 1, 2, now you have come to class 3. Your copies, they were in class nursery. Okay, ये doors, windows, they were in class LKG or UKG? No. Living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow. Your copies can grow. Your books can grow. No. Living things can grow, non-living things cannot grow. You must have noticed that you are slowly growing taller and increasing in weight. All living things grow. A baby grows into a child and then into an adult. A baby grows into a child, then afterwards then into an adult. A seed changes into seedling. Seed changes into seedling and then into a plant. Then afterwards it will become a plant. The plant then grows into a tree. Afterwards it will become a big tree. Animals also grow on their own. Non-living things do not grow. Understood? Living things can grow. Non-living things do not grow. Third point, my dear students, underline, living things move, but non-living things cannot move. Have you seen a monkey jumping on the tree or a lizard crawling on the wall? But mobile, copies, pens, pencils, they can climb on the tree. They can climb on the wall. No. Only living things can move, but non-living things cannot move. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter and to save themselves from their animals. Why animals move from one place to another? In search of food and shelter and to protect themselves from their enemies. Do plants move? Plants are living things, but they do not move. No, plants do not move. They remain fixed to the soil. You have seen plants move? No, they are fixed into the soil. However, parts of some plants, they show some special movements. Okay, you have seen pitcher plants. When we touch it, they show movement. A pitcher plant traps insects and eats them. A sunflower always turns its face in the direction of the sun. You have seen the sunflower. It always turns its face in the direction of the sun. Non-living things do not move on their own. They move only when we make them move. Okay, my dear students, is a seed a living or a non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. Now revise for 5 minutes. Afterwards, we will do the next point.